Hello guys, welcome back to this video. Today in this video I am gonna show you how you can add overlay in CapCut. Once you have opened your CapCut project and then import video, I have imported two video. One is for background and another is for overlay. For example, I am going to add this for background. Just click and hold and drag it here. So I have set it for background. Now for overlay I am gonna use this. Just click and hold and drag and place it over the video. So I am just decreasing the size. This is overlay. So now let's click on this video and you can resize it. You can place it anywhere as you want. You can place it. Now let's play. So this is how you can add overlay in CapCut. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.